Don't be fooled by her words. The prince took out the hair given by the witch and showed it sunlight. The witch appeared with a loud bang and, bowing her head, said, "Your Majesty, this is your son, and it is he who has cured your eyes with the Bakawali flower." Saying this, the witch disappeared. The king again embraced the prince and announced in the whole country that after the king, Prince Jan Alam will be the king of this country. The prince said, "My father, I cannot live here anymore. I want to go back to the fairyland Bakawali. The princess there is as innocent as the angels and as pure and beautiful as the nymphs of heaven. I want to marry that fairyland princess." The Bakawali princess bowed down in shame and said, "Prince, I have also reached here searching for you. I have also not seen a noble and honest person like you. What will I do if I go back to my palace? This is my home now." The king placed his hand on the heads of both, and the prince put the Bakawali flower in his hair. The king announced their marriage and expelled all the 4 princes from the country. Subscribe to our channel.